All right, meteorologist Dean Davis and the Weather Pros, liveweatherblogs.com. We have a pretty good system going on here. If you can see where my pointer's going, center of circulation is going to be right inside there. We got thunderstorms developed around the center of circulation. We don't have very much on the way of shear with this. It's actually lessening in shear. This I'm expecting to become Bonnie either tonight at the 11 o'clock or tomorrow at 5 a.m. We're getting that central dense overcast around the center of circulation. This will impact the southeast coast, specifically South Carolina, which is under tropical storm warnings at this time. So we'll take a look at our current computer model guidance right after we get done here. This is the National Hurricane Center official track. We'll take it in towards Charleston, South Carolina, and then go up toward Myrtle Beach. But the impacts will be further inland. That is what we're going to express to you. The heavy rain, possible isolated tornadoes, and some breezy weather for your Memorial Day weekend, specifically Sunday and Monday in North Carolina, Virginia, South Carolina, and parts of Maryland. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the computer models for areas, the hurricane track models. As you see, majority of them come across South Carolina and hook to the north and east. So this is going to be, like I said, most likely Bonnie, and then it will hook north and east after it makes landfall. Landfall location likely between Charleston, South Carolina, and the North Carolina-South Carolina border. These are the GFS ensemble models. You can see that the GFS is pretty tight in that South Carolina zone, and then coming up through North Carolina. So GFS is very, very specifically stating that we're going to see some landfalling conditions. We're now looking at the Canadian ensembles. Same basic pattern, just this would actually take it on shore closer to Myrtle Beach. That's why I said you have to really slice the entire state of South Carolina under the potential for a landfalling tropical system. And you know, with landfalling tropical systems, we have damaging winds, some storm surge, not bad because this would be a tropical storm, isolated tornadoes because of the gradient when it hits the land, and of course heavy rainfall. Model guidance through landfall looks to be a tropical storm, and then it will drop quickly into tropical depression and remnant stage. So if we watch the entire country, you'll watch the tropical system here to the right, showers and thunderstorms to the left, and you can see where the low is going to come up, affect the area. When this low interacts with the front, heavier rain may occur with some isolated tornadoes along the areas of the mountains, Blue Ridge mountain chain, with some orographic lift and some rotation. So that's what we have to definitely keep an eye on, as this low will then move out to sea, and the next cold front will be marching to the right next week. So we got to be very careful with this over the next couple days. Expect rainfall over the east coast, especially South Carolina, North Carolina, and then into Virginia, and then into Maryland. That's just my little front. So, tropical storm warnings for South Carolina. Take heed. Meteorologist Dean Davis and the Weather Pros. Thanks for watching.